Hey, what's up guys? So you want to set up your own hosting server at home? Maybe at your office? Well, in this video guys, I'm going to show it to you step-by-step guide until we get my website online. Here are the list of the things that we need. 1. You need PC or laptop where you're going to install operating system, control panel and that we are going to run your website or web app. 2. Pen drive 4 GB minimum to create bootable CentOS USB stick. 3. Internet connection with static IP. 4. Full access of your Wi-Fi or router. I have full control of my router. If you do not have access, call your internet service provider and get those access. Alright, let's begin setup. Now we need to download CentOS 7 from official website. Installations of panel and WHM on CentOS servers must use CentOS version 7. Search CentOS 7 in Google and enter into website. The minimal installation image contains only the packages needed to have a functional CentOS system. The DVD image contains all the packages that can be installed using the installer. Most likely, you will want to download the minimal version. So click and download CentOS 7 minimal version. Okay, now we need to create bootable CentOS USB stick. Creating bootable CentOS USB stick on Windows is a relatively straightforward process, just follow the steps. There are several different applications available for free use, which allow you to flash ISO images to USB drives. In this tutorial, we will create a bootable CentOS USB stick using Etcher. Etcher is a free and open-source utility for flashing images to SD cards and USB drives and supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once the installation file is downloaded, double-click on it to launch the installation wizard. Follow the installation wizard's steps to install Etcher on your Windows desktop. Creating a bootable CentOS USB stick with Etcher is a pretty much straightforward process. Insert the USB flash drive into the USB port on your computer and launch Etcher. Click on the Select Image button and locate your CentOS.iso file. If you downloaded the file using a web browser, then it should be stored in the Downloads folder located in your user account. Etcher will auto-select the USB drive if only one drive is present. Otherwise, if more than one SD card or USB stick is attached, make sure you have selected the correct USB drive before flashing the image. To start the flashing process, click the Flash Image button. The process may take several minutes, depending on the size of the ISO file and the speed of the USB stick. Once completed, the following screen will appear informing you that the image is successfully flashed. Click on the X to close the Etcher window. That's all. You have a bootable CentOS on your USB stick. Now you need to install CentOS 7 in your server machine. Before installation, you need to connect Ethernet cable to your server. To boot operating system, connect pendrive to server machine and start installation process. After booting the installation USB drive, select Test this media and install CentOS 7 in the boot menu and press Enter. The installation summary is the central screen to set configuration options. You can display and modify the individual options in any order. If a configuration option was automatically configured correctly, no further action is required. However, if items are marked with an exclamation point icon, you must complete the configuration for these items before you can begin the installation. Select installation destination, select the target disk. A check mark is displayed next to the selected target. The selected disk is partitioned automatically. Click Done to return to the installation summary. On the installation summary screen, click Begin installation. The installation starts and the configuration screen is displayed. During the installation, select root password, enter the password for the root user and confirm it. Click Done and wait for installation complete. Once CentOS is successfully installed, click Reboot. Now enter username root and password for root user, what you previously set on installation process. Set up network on CentOS 7 Minimal. First, type nmclid command in your terminal for quick list Ethernet card installed on your machine. Type nmtui command in your terminal to open Network Manager. After opening Network Manager, choose Edit Connection and press Enter. Use Tab button for choosing options. Now choose U Network Interfaces and click Edit. Choose Automatic and IPv4 configuration and check Automatically Connect checkbox and press OK and quit from Network Manager. After successful network setup, we need to access this server from client machine. For that we need to know server machine IP address. Open browser in client machine and type 192.168.1.1 and enter. This will be your default router IP. You will get router login screen like this. Enter your router username and password. Most of the internet providers use default router username and password. If not working, call your ISP and ask login details of your router. Once you logged in, check devices connected on your router. Here you can see my server is connected via Ethernet card, so connection type is Ethernet or wired. Next to that you can find device IP address. This is your device IP for local network. You can connect this from local network. You cannot access this device from other network like through internet. Connecting server using Secure Shell Protocol, SSH. Next we need to download PuTTY and install it. After installation, open PuTTY and enter server IP address like this and enter. Server connected now. Enter root username and password. The first step you need to perform on a fresh installed CentOS system is to make sure the system is up to date with the latest kernel and system security patches, software repositories and packages. To fully update a CentOS 7 system, issue the following commands with root privileges. Yum check update. Yum upgrade. After the upgrade process completes, install system utilities on CentOS 7. Install required system utilities on CentOS 7. Type following command and press enter. After successful setup, type of config and check IP. My current IP is 192.168.1.21. This IP assigned by my router, and I can access server from this local network work. I cannot access this server through internet. So I need to connect this server to internet, then only I can access this server from anywhere through internet. Now I going to assign my internet IP to this server. Open browser and type 192.168.1.1 and login. Check your public IP. This IP address provided by your ISP. My public IP is 117.96.203.111. Now we need to do port forwarding. Whatever requests comes to my public IP, this setting will forward to based on setting. I need to forward ports in order for outside traffic to get into your network. Think of your router as being a huge electric fence or wall with a few doors or openings. This electric fence or wall serves as your barrier and security blanket from the scary outside internet world. Your router comes pre-configured with a few of those doors or ports open to let you access the internet, but the others are closed tight. So, in order to run a mail server, game server, access your computer remotely, etc., you will need to open an extra door or two in your router in order for the outside traffic to get inside. This is called port forwarding. Now I am going to open port 22 for SSH server connection. Then open uPutty and enter your public IP address and click open. Here you can see that my server connected to public IP, and now I can access this server from anywhere using internet. Next, we are going to install cPanel, most popular control panel for web hosting. Go to cPanel website and copy installation command and paste into SSH and enter. I am getting cPanel installation error. The error network manager is installed and running. cPanel does not support network manager. So I am going to stop and disable network manager using systemctl stop network manager and systemctl disable network manager. Run cPanel installation script again. This will take some time complete. After successful installation, copy one-time auto login URL from here and paste into browser and enter. cPanel URL is not opening because cPanel default installation port is 2086 and 2087. These ports are blocked by an router. So I am going to do port forwarding in my router. Once you added port forwarding, reload browser and check the one-time auto login URL. cPanel admin page loaded successfully. Log in using your root username and password. On the new installation landing page, read and then accept the terms and conditions by clicking the Agree to All button. On the Get Started with a free cPanel trial page, choose log in to log into the cPanel store. You must sign into the cPanel store in order to associate your trial license to your account. If you don't have a cPanel store account, you should still choose login and you will be given the option to create one. In the authorization request page that appears, enter your email address or username and the password for your cPanel store account. If you don't have a cPanel store account, then choose Create Account and follow the prompts to create your new cPanel store account. You will be asked to enter your email address and will be sent an email to set your cPanel store account password. We recommend that you set your cPanel store account password using a new browser tab. When your password is set, you can close that tab and return to your instance to authorize your account and continue to the next step of this procedure. After you authorize access, your cPanel and WHM instance will acquire a 15-day trial license that is associated with your cPanel store account. Next, choose Server Setup to continue. Next, enter the email address you wish to use to receive status notifications. Then add name servers your domain will use. Once done, click the Finish button to confirm. We successfully installed cPanel now. In this video we covered 1. Creating bootable CentOS 7 USB stick. 2. Installing CentOS 7 in server machine. 3. Converting local machine to public accessible server using port forwarding. 4. Installing cPanel on server. In next video we will cover detailed cPanel configuration. If you want any clarification, please post your question in comment section. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please press like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update.